When most people think of luxury travel, they imagine first-class flights, private villas, or maybe a week on a tropical island with endless champagne. But there's another level of travel that few people ever see, a world so exclusive that even money alone can't buy entry. This is the secret world of ultra-luxury travel, where experiences are tailor-made for billionaires, royalty, and those who value privacy, rarity, and perfection above everything else. Today, we're going behind the scenes of this hidden realm to discover what it really means to travel when luxury is taken to the absolute extreme. Imagine starting your vacation not by checking in at a busy airport, but by stepping into your own private terminal. There are no lines, no crowds, and no security queues. Instead, you're greeted by name, escorted through a private lounge, and served caviar and champagne before boarding your personal jet. This is the world of bespoke aviation. Companies like VistaJet and FlexJet offer not just aircraft, but an entire flying experience designed around you. Every flight is customized, from the scent in the cabin to the exact shade of your favorite wine. Ultra-luxury travelers don't choose destinations based on flight schedules. The world adjusts to theirs, and when they arrive, the experience only gets more surreal. Ultra-luxury travelers rarely stay at regular five-star hotels. They prefer properties that don't advertise, places so private you won't find them on booking sites. These are often fully staffed estates, private islands, or villas managed by concierge services like Quintessentially, or Black Tomato's private collection. Every stay is tailored to the travelers. Tisomin from the chef flown in from Paris to the Ardi. Curated for the walls, even the scent of the sheets and the playlist playing in the living room can be designed to evoke a certain memory or mood. But in this world, privacy is the ultimate currency. Ultra-luxury travel isn't about being seen, it's about disappearing. Many clients want destinations where they can escape the noise of fame and fortune. That might mean a remote island in French Polynesia accessible only by seaplane, or a luxury camp deep in Namibia's desert where the nearest neighbor is 100 miles away. These aren't vacations, they're sanctuaries. A place where even time seems to slow down, and where exclusivity isn't about luxury amenities, but about solitude and serenity. Then there are the experiences that redefine the idea of once in a lifetime. Imagine dining on a glacier in Iceland with a Michelin-starred chef flown in just for the evening. Or exploring the Great Barrier Reef with a marine biologist who guides you to untouched coral gardens few have ever seen. Ultra-luxury travelers don't buy packages, they commission experiences. They might request to close a museum for a private viewing at midnight, or have an orchestra perform in the middle of the Sahara under the stars. For those living in this world, travel is not about sightseeing. It's about storytelling, creating moments that no one else has lived. A big part of this secret world revolves around the power of personalization. Companies that cater to this level of luxury know their clients inside and out, sometimes literally. They study their habits, preferences, and emotions. They remember that a guest likes sparkling water at exactly 8 degrees, or that they prefer sunrise yoga facing east. Every detail, down to the thread count of a robe or the placement of a single flower, is designed for them. It's not extravagance for the sake of show. It's craftsmanship and hospitality. Transportation is another realm where ultra-luxury travel stands apart. Forget commercial flights or even private jets. Some travelers own their own flying palaces. Inside, there are bedrooms, lounges, and even spa rooms at 40,000 feet. On the sea, mega yachts redefine mobility, becoming floating resorts with helipads, cinemas, and underwater observation lounges. The world's elite can wake up in Monaco, have lunch in Capri, and dine under the stars off the coast of Sardinia, all without stepping off their vessel. For those who prefer land, companies like Rolls-Royce and Bentley create custom chauffeur fleets that follow their clients globally, ensuring consistency in comfort and style wherever they go. The secret world of ultra-luxury travel also extends deep below the surface, literally. For the most adventurous travelers, there are private submarines that can dive thousands of feet beneath the ocean, revealing coral kingdoms and shipwrecks untouched by human eyes. For others, there are space travel experiences now being designed, orbital flights where you can watch the Earth curve beneath you while sipping champagne in zero gravity. These are not vacations. They are frontiers. And then there's the growing demand for ultra-luxury wellness retreats. For the world's wealthiest, health is the new status symbol. They travel to hidden sanctuaries in the Swiss Alps or the Maldives, where entire medical teams analyze their DNA design custom diets, and guide them through rejuvenation programs that blend ancient wisdom with cutting-edge science. Some retreats even offer longevity residencies, programs designed to extend life and vitality. Here, massages aren't just relaxing. They're part of a carefully engineered wellness strategy. Of course, ultra-luxury travel doesn't come cheap. A single week can easily cost hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. But for the clientele, it's not about money. It's about meaning. Many ultra-luxury travelers are searching for experiences that connect them back to something real. After all, when you've seen and bought everything, what's left to desire? The answer for many is authenticity. That's why even the richest travelers are now drawn to places that feel untouched, whether it's glamping in Mongolia's steppe, meditating in Bhutan, or dining with local tribes in remote parts of Indonesia. True luxury is no longer about excess. It's about emotion. What's fascinating is how discreet this world remains. You won't see these trips flaunted on social media. Most of these experiences are confidential, and many guests use aliases or private teams to arrange travel quietly. Some destinations are so exclusive that they only accept guests by personal recommendation. This is a world built on trust, privacy, and impeccable taste, where the best moments are never advertised, only whispered about. Technology has also redefined what's possible in this realm. Digital concierges, powered by artificial intelligence, now predict a traveler's needs before they even ask. Smart villas adapt lighting, temperature, and sound to match a guest's mood. Some ultra-luxury travelers even hire professional travel curators, experts who scout new destinations years before they open to the public. These curators design multi-country journeys where every flight, meal, and view connects seamlessly into one cinematic experience. And while ultra-luxury travel may seem like a world apart, it also drives innovation in the broader travel industry. Many of the trends we see today, sustainability, personalization, immersive experiences, all began here. The ultra-wealthy often act as the first testers of groundbreaking concepts that eventually filter down to the rest of the world. Whether it's carbon-neutral resorts, private underwater villas, or high-end adventure travel, what starts in this hidden world eventually shapes how the rest of us experience the planet. Yet, despite all the glamour, what defines this world is something surprisingly simple: the pursuit of wonder. Ultra-luxury travelers are not just buying comfort. They're chasing a feeling, the awe of seeing something for the first time, the peace of being truly disconnected, the joy of being fully present. It's a reminder that even at the highest levels of wealth, the most valuable thing isn't luxury itself. It's time, freedom, and meaning. So, what does the secret world of ultra-luxury travel teach us? That the future of travel isn't just about extravagance, it's about exclusivity with purpose. Whether it's a billionaire exploring Antarctica in silence, a family renting an entire island for privacy, or a couple meditating in a Himalayan temple at sunrise, ultra-luxury travel reflects a deeper desire to rediscover the world in a way that feels intimate and transformative. And perhaps that's the paradox of true luxury. The higher you climb, the more you crave simplicity. The most exclusive experiences aren't the loudest or the most publicized. They're the quiet ones, the moments that can't be bought, only lived. As this hidden world continues to evolve, one thing is certain: the boundaries of travel are expanding faster than ever. From private space missions to underwater hotels, the future of ultra-luxury travel is limited only by imagination. And for those who live in this secret world, the next destination isn't just a place on the map, it's a feeling waiting to be discovered. So, whether you dream of flying privately across continents, staying in a secluded jungle villa, or exploring untouched corners of the earth, remember, the essence of ultra-luxury travel isn't in what you see, but in how deeply you experience it. True luxury isn't about having the world at your feet. It's about finding the moments that make you feel alive. If you enjoyed exploring this secret world of ultra-luxury travel, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more incredible journeys, and share your dream destination in the comments below. Because no matter how far we go, the most extraordinary adventures always begin with curiosity.